Migration comes up in a number of units and therefore is an important theme to understand. Migration simply means the movement of people. In terms of the population dynamics unit, you're going to be thinking particularly about international migration. That is the movement between countries. There are two terms you need to understand here: immigration and emigration. Immigration is when someone enters a country. Emigration is when somebody leaves a country. And this could be for a number of different reasons. People are generally moving because they're looking for a better life or a better lifestyle. People want to be comfortable, they want to feel safe, and they want to live without fear. So there are different kinds of immigrants that we talk about. We talk about economic migration, which is all to do with money. People are moving from country to country in search of a better job or to make more money than they could in the country where they're from. Social migration is about moving to be nearer to family or a particular community. Political migration has got to do with moving because of political beliefs. So it may be to escape war or persecution. And lastly, environmental migration is to do with escaping natural disasters or extreme conditions. There are always, in every case, push and pull factors. Push factors are reasons people leave an area. So, for example, lack of services, lack of education, lack of opportunity, war, famine, terrible weather, terrible climate, poverty. Any of these and more. Pull factors are things pulling people towards a place. So it could be opportunities like a job, high employment rates, wealth, better services, a good climate, fertile land, all these sorts of things, and again more. The other unit that brings migration to the forefront is the settlement units. And in these units, we're thinking more about internal migration. That is migration within a particular country. We need to think about urban to rural migration, also known as counter-urbanisation. This is the movement of people from the city to the countryside. And you need to think about the push and pull factors related to that. We also need to think about rural to urban migration or urbanisation, the movement of people from the countryside to the city, resulting in the growth of cities into rural areas, particularly at the edge of cities. And there are various different problems associated with both these types of movement. You need to make sure that you understand those. Good luck!